Y'all remember this song?
Danger! Danger!
I know y'all remember that one. What about this one?
Shake your ass. Watch yourself. Shake your ass.
Yeah, I know you little freak booties. I know what y'all was doing watching, listening to that. Anyways, yeah. Buddy done messed up. Big time. Facing the elbow. And I'm here to tell you now, spoiler warning, he's going to get found guilty. But first, they denied something else. Mystikal denied bond in R in false imprisonment case. A state judge has denied bond for New Orleans rapper Mystikal, whose legal name is Michael Lawrence Tyler, following his arrest on first-degree R and false imprisonment charges. The ruling came during a 72-hour hearing in Ascension Parish, where the judge cited strong evidence, recidivism concerns, and the alleged victim's fears as justification. Tyler, 51, was arrested after a woman reported being assaulted at his home in Prairieville, Louisiana, according to arrest documents. The woman visited to discuss financial commitments, but things escalated quickly. Testimony from a sheriff's detective painted a harrowing scene, or harrowing, but I say harrowing, but everybody wants to say heroin, but whatever. The woman told deputies Tyler accused her of stealing cash, physically attacked her, punching her, choking her, pulling out her braids, and took her phone and keys to keep her from leaving. Investigators also detailed mood swings, shifting from anger to remorse at one point. Tyler reportedly apologized, asked her to pray, then allegedly R'd her. After the assault, he allegedly demanded she repay money via Cash App, handed back her phone only to enter a higher amount himself, then returned it again so she could finally leave. The victim later went to Baton Rouge Hospital, where an ex-assault examination was conducted. Deputies documented injuries consistent with her account. Mystikal's defense has pushed back sharply against the bond denial. There was no evidence given on my client's part, as said his attorney, Joe Pierce. Pierce argued for a full bond hearing, said he wants to test the state's case with a preliminary examination. Pierce also disputes claims of violence. He never threatened her. He never choked her, he told media outlets. Meanwhile, former defense attorney Roy Malgan Jr., who has sought a $250,000 bond, expressed disappointment, but noted his client may not appeal the ruling. A spokesperson for the Ascension Parish Sheriff's Office told reporters that despite Mystikal's fame, he won't get any sympathy or special treatment. He will be in the general population and incarcerated like anyone else. This is not Tyler's first legal battle involving ex-violence. In 2003, he pleaded guilty to ex-battery and extortion. He served 6 years in prison. He was later indicted in 2017 on an R and kidnapping charges, but those were dropped after a grand jury declined to indict again. The seriousness of the current charges compounds concerns. First-degree R in Louisiana carries a mandatory life sentence if convicted. Now, for those of y'all who don't know, man, Ceddy, Nash, and Baton Rouge is like this right here. I still got my 225 number. Anyways, what that got to do with anything? I know somebody very, 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 very close to the situation, so it ain't really gonna matter. The person that they're alleging that he did this to, the victim, is his first baby mama. And lo and behold, from sources very close to the situation, he's going to go to jail forever. So when they start this trial, which should be soon, you're going to hear some challenging, some haunting, some very, very, very crazy stories about this man. And a lot of it is going to do with the drugs, the ones that you find under your goddamn kitchen sink. Not only that, y'all remember that damn, what's the name from Jesse Pinkman when he kept on saying this? Yeah.
You can't keep getting away with it!
Yeah, he can't keep getting away with this. And that's what a lot of them are saying, man. Mystikal, from what I hear about women that have been close to him, near him, is a very abusive in multiple ways. Physically and, the other way. We're too early in the video, so I can't say the sex word. But I will say this. There are always two sides to a story. You are always presumed to be innocent until you were found guilty. So as it stands right now, he is innocent. But from what I hear, very, very close, they tell me, yo, Cali, bruh, it's a done dot up over there, brother. It's done. It's doner. He's a goner. It ain't looking good for that man out here. So it is what it is as far as Mystikal go. And it's one of those things where I don't know if Mystikal all the way got it up there. I don't know. When he was coming out, you know what I'm saying? Sounded like Tasmanian devil. Then we found out Ronnie from Wild Thornberry. Like, bruh, yeah, that shit right there, bruh, that's a real thing. And so, with that being said, man, I ain't gonna hold you. Justice must be served. If what is alleged to be true is true, y'all know how I feel. You put your hands on kids, you put your hands on women, you put your hands on old people, or you put your hands on the weak, defenseless cats. You know, if you sitting up there, you goddamn 6 feet tall, 300 pounds, and all you do is punch bricks and all this all day, and you meet somebody, a little frail dude that's like 5'6", and you decide, oh, I'm gonna take his wallet or take him because I want to. I'm gonna beat him up because I want to. You deserve jail. I don't care. And I know some people will be, oh man, this, now. I don't care. I wish jail on certain individuals. I just do. I just do. And once again, if what he said appears to be true, and from what I hear, it is very true, don't expect that man to walk up out of there ever again. Don't expect him to see the light of day. If what is said to be true is very true, bruh, he better watch his back out there. But then again, all he's gonna do is say, I didn't do it, I didn't do it, I didn't do it. I mean, y'all believe stories about certain people who 100% are guilty, but because they will never confess, and it's one of those things, to be said, if you never say you did it, and nothing else matters. And that goes for everything, right? If you say, yo, I didn't eat that. Yeah, Nash, but you know, it's chocolate on your fingertips, bro. No, it isn't. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, if y'all can do that, then shit, it is what it is. It's all good. But as far as it go for Mystikal, man, don't expect that man to come back out here and live his life and, you know, have a tale of harrowing, great feats of how he defeated injustice and the justice system is flawed and how this woman did this and did that, bro. It was your baby mama, brother. It was your kids first. Man, god damn. I mean, shit. What the hell? So you make her give you money, you whoop on her, then you start having an episode, and then you take it from her, bro. Like, we're going to see how this one plays out. But spoiler, he's going to be found guilty. And when y'all come back, y'all gonna be like, damn, Ceddy Nash, how did you know this? Man, if you know my connection to Louisiana, bro, I'm going to tell you right now. A lot of y'all be like, man, there's no way you was born in California. Not with all these goddamn connections, man. But shout out Baton Rouge. Shout out the whole South 10, South 12. Shout out everybody that's over there, bro. Yeah, shout out Gonzales, too, because, you know, it is what it is, man. And shout out Lake Charles, because y'all know I love y'all out there, even though, y'all, whew. Some of y'all, oh, you only talk about South Louisiana, bro. What about us, man? What about the road, man? What about Rushdown, man? What about Shreveport, man? What about Lafayette, man? Listen, I love you all. But Mystikal, Dunner, Goner, not coming back. Watch what I tell y'all. If you holding out hope, don't. But, boom, pinch your hope. If he didn't, then he deserves to come home. If he did, fry him like a damn egg in a skillet, turned on high. Because at certain points in time, as a whole community, there's just certain things we got to reject. Your celebrity don't mean shit. It just don't. I know some of y'all hearing this for the first time, and this video probably won't do views or nothing like that. I don't give a damn. What's right is right. What's wrong is wrong. And from everything that I know, from everything I know about this situation and the people that I know involved in this situation, brother, it's not good. He's gone. Anyways, click right here to see how the feds, god damn, might be getting a wish, bro. Or maybe not. Click right here to see exactly what the hell I'm talking about. Or click right here for the playlist, and I'll catch you on the next one. Reloaded.